एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए देखते हैं। हमारे किबला बदल चुका है। मुझे यह समझ नहीं आती कि मुसलमान के लिए एंटरटेनमेंट वर्ड नेवर एग्जिस्टेड। इसलिए नहीं कि मुसलमान बोरिंग है, इसलिए कि मुसलमान की लाइफ इज सो एनरिच्ड दैट व्हाटएवर ही इज डूइंग बिकम्स एंटरटेनिंग फॉर हिम। इफ यू आर लिविंग टू लाइफ, okay, I am going to work because you're doing something which you never liked. So then you will become tired and you will be required some entertainment to recharge your batteries. But if you're doing something which you love and you love to that extent that you would even love to do it for nothing, then whatever you do becomes entertaining for you. And by the way, if you go to the office in the morning with this thing in your head that you're going to serve the passion और आप अल्लाह के लिए जा रहे हो, so आपको किस चीज की मुझे बताएंगे डर रहा है? Then he should be worried. If you are doing Allah's job, then Allah should be worried to make sure that you are wherever you want it to be. यार एक वक्त था when I used to go to work in the morning. Why? To earn money, livelihood for my kids. Nothing has changed. I still go out in the morning, but now I don't go for myself. I go for him. And I leave the worry on him how he is going to feed me. It is his job. My job is to do the work. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are not worried about the job. We are worried about what he is giving us. You do the best you do. आप अपनी जिंदगी का सरैया बनो. Whatever you do in the life. Okay, if I am doing the hard work, I am doing it for him. If I am doing this, if I am managing relationship, I am doing it because of him. I am watching a TV program or a movie, I am doing it for him. Why? Because I like to learn. कुरान ने आपको दावत दी है कि तुम देखते नहीं तुम्हारी कौमों से पहले क्या सलूक में करता रहा, उनमें क्या खूबी है। तो अगर आपने मूवी देखनी जरूरी है, if you can spare 2 hours, make sure that you learn something out of it. Try to compare your lifestyle. Try to compare the lifestyle of your mom with the lifestyle of an American or a European woman. आप देखें कि उनके घरों में सफाई कैसे होती है, आप देखें कि घरों में माँ सुबह कितने बजे उठती है, बच्चों को कैसे खाना खिलाती है, आप देखें कि घर में शाम को खाना कब आता है, उनके घर में मुलाजिम नहीं फिर रहे होते, उनके घरों में प्राइवेसी हमारे से ज्यादा है। प्रॉब्लम यह है कि वी डोंट वांट टू लर्न, वी डोंट वांट टू रियली सी, एंड वी डोंट वांट टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज द क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ विच वी आर ऑलरेडी एंजॉयिंग। दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम। रिमेंबर देयर इज नो सच थिंग लाइक फ्री लंचेस. You should be willing to pay the price. And you can learn. You can learn even by watching it, because learning is an attitude. Learning is not an activity. And unfortunately, we have made learning as an activity, where we commit about 2 hours every day to learn. So you can learn, my dear. You can compare yourself. You can benchmark. अगर आप वकील बन रहे हैं, सारे वकीलों की फिल्में देखें and see who were those who were good lawyers and how they used to talk, how they used to walk, how they used to live their life, what they used to wear, how they used to stand up, how they used to speak. So the same thing that you are learning, you are benchmarking yourself with other success stories in your discipline. So that's what I am saying. And the least but not the last but not the least is about holding on to your success. Remember, it is much easy to become successful and it is much tougher to hold on to your success. And there is only one thing which can help you in holding on to the success, and that is your character. I've seen so many people becoming successful overnight and then the next time, next day, next month, next year falling right back on the floor, on the ground, because they were not able to hold on to the character. They lacked honesty, they lacked integrity. उनकी नीयत बदल गई, फ्रॉड करना शुरू कर दिया. Sooner or later people will find out, and you have seen so many politicians. यार अपने आपके मुल्क की कहानियां सामने आपके सामने है. It is so easy to become successful. Within 2 years you can reach at the top. But would you be able to hold on to that success which has been given to you? And anywhere in the world, if somebody is still holding on to the success, it is just because of the reason that he would be holding it on with his character. That is your true self. Your personal belief system, your values, your morals. And no matter where you are, remember the character traits are same everywhere. No religion will teach you that it is okay to cheat. No religion will teach you it is okay to lie. और हमारी तो किबला भी फर्क होना शुरू हो चुका है. मैं अक्सर कात लोगों को कहता हूं कि अगर आप मूवीज देखें, जरा इमेजिन कीजिए, बिकॉज आई लिव इन दैट सोसाइटी एंड आई ऑलवेज कंपेयर दिस सोसाइटी विद दैट पर्टिकुलर सोसाइटी इन अमेरिका एंड यूरोप. आई हैव सीन सो मेनी वुमेन देयर. Quitting order, it is not good to quit the relationship, I know. But I am simply telling you, I have seen so many women there in that society quitting a relationship because somebody was a cheater. कि जी मैंने से शादी, मैंने से रहना नहीं. Why? Because he lies. ये झूठ बोलता है. उनके नजदीक ये इतनी बड़ी वैल्यू है, मॉरल फ्लॉ है झूठ बोलना. और मैं यहां पे रोज देखता हूं वुमेन being part of the lives of their husbands. और मैं एक दफा हदीस पढ़ रहा था, सहाबा किराम ने रसूल अल्लाह से पूछा, या रसूल अल्लाह, मुसलमान शराबी हो सकता है? आपने कहा यस. मुसलमान मकार हो सकता है? यस. मुसलमान जानी हो सकता है? हाँ. करते 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 सारी बुराइयां खत्म हो गई. किसी ने पूछा मुसलमान झूठा हो सकता है? आपने कहा नो, never. So what I am talking about is honesty. It's all about honesty. लोगों की इतनी छोटी मेमोरी नहीं है. Someday they give a statement कि you know, I'm sorry, I have not done it. 3 years later on, you might find out the same person saying it exactly, totally contradicting what he earlier said. Would you still continue respecting him? So it's just a matter of 2 or 3 years, no? Later on, people will find it out what is truth and what is not truth. Because remember, truth by default is powerful. So make sure that during that on this road to success, please don't do something which is immoral, which is unethical. Don't do that. It might, the journey might become a little shorter, but then you will not be able to hold on to your success. Strengthen your roots, strengthen your foundation. Be willing to pay the price, no matter what that price is. I have paid a big price of being whatever I became in my life. My book starts with my story. And I thought that before anybody else, the moment you stand up here on the podium and say something, the very first thing which happens here in this country